This potato peeler is so extremely satisfying and can peel almost any fruit or vegetable in under 10 seconds. Just plop on the potato and push the red button to start. You don't have to hold or touch the vegetable while it's peeling, which makes it super safe and easy to use, and it automatically stops when the peeling is done. Oh, and it does come with a cord but can be operated by battery if you choose.
Productos Top Aliexpress, parte 42. Esto es Angry Mama, el limpiador de microondas más famoso de todo internet. Quítale la tapa, llénalo de agua y vinagre hasta la marca, ponle un poquito de limón para darle un poquito de aroma, ciérralo, mételo al microondas 7 minutos y tendrás el microondas más limpio de todo el barrio. Pasarás de esto a un microondas tan brillante como este. Mira, es como un espejo. Eso sí, no hay versión hombre, así que yo le hice un bigote y lo convertí en Angry Papa.
Here's how you actually use Olaplex number 3. This will change the health of your hair, but you have to do it right. Make sure you apply to damp hair. It only works on damp hair. So you're going to do 2 quarter-size amounts. I start with the ends and then do the roots. Let it sit for 45 minutes and only 45 minutes. There's no point in sitting in it all day because as soon as your hair is dry, it stops working. Twist it up and there you go.
The Ordinary and the Inky List Showdown Part 1. Today we're doing a showdown between their hyaluronic acid serums. For ingredients, I think the Inky List wins because it has Matrixyl 3000 in it, which is going to help with anti-aging on top of the hydration. The formulations are similar, but I do think that the Ordinary's is a little bit stickier than the Inky List, which just has a nicer, more liquidy formulation. So formulation, the Inky List wins again, making the Inky List the winner of this battle. Let me know if you want a part 2.
Amazon Price You Need Part 216 of 300. This is a mermaid tail shaped glass. Fill it up with her favorite beverage and it looks like a real life mermaid tail.
¿Ya había visto algo como esto? Alexa, sígueme. Este es el nuevo Echo Show 10 con una pantalla de 10.1 pulgadas y literalmente me va escuchando, entonces me puede ir siguiendo hacia donde yo estoy. Si me vengo de este lado, me va a seguir también para acá. Y como podrán ver, aparte de tener este movimiento, Alexa, sígueme, vamos a poder interactuar para poder ver, por ejemplo, una película. Alexa, pon Spider-Man en Amazon Prime. Y listo, como puedes ver, puedes tener aquí contenido multimedia, pero aparte utilizar las funciones de la cámara y por supuesto del control de voz. Suena bastante potente, tiene una cámara integrada, tiene micrófonos bidireccionales. Vamos a estarla probando para ver qué tal funciona y les voy a seguir platicando de este nuevo Echo Show 10 directo de Amazon.
Yeah, we the word up on the street. They talk about you and me. Let's start some, but I'm always down to make some rumors, rumors, yeah.
I can't stop staring at this firework light bulb. It definitely shakes up the vibe in your room at night and is really captivating to look at. It's also dim enough to be used as a nightlight.
Welcome to day 2 of Dog Enrichment Ideas with our favorite IQ treat mat. So first I'm spreading some of Jasper's favorite food on this mat. I've got some applesauce, some wet food, and some Greek yogurt. And then I usually freeze it so it lasts longer, and then I give it to him to work on while I'm brushing him or doing his nails, and it keeps him occupied and calm.
Amazon Kitchen Finds. This set of 3 mini colanders fit perfectly over any canned food that you may need to strain. Each of the 3 strainers have different sized holes and they're dishwasher safe as well. Next, we have our collapsible silicone funnels that we use almost every single day. They come in a set of 4 with 2 of them being large and 2 of them being small. These are perfect for refilling any of your soap containers or shampoo and conditioner bottles without making a mess all over the countertop.
Exactly why you light me up inside like the 4th of July. Whenever you're around, I always seem to smile.
The only Amazon gadget you need. Wireless charger with night light. Adjustable light. Wireless charger with indicator that turns green when fully charged. TikTok made us buy it part 8. It's a Levitating Bonsai Plant holder. How cool is that?
We can go wherever, so let's do it now or never, baby. Nothing's ever too far. Glitter in the sky, glitter in the eyes, shining just the way we are.
Okay, so as a busy mom, I don't have a ton of time to be ironing my clothes. So I've been absolutely loving this portable handheld steamer lately. It's got automatic shutoff and a 360 anti-spill design. So it allows you to steam from any angle. And I love the small size of it so you can easily bring it with you when you travel. And it's safe to use on cotton, satin, linen, nylon, so many different fabrics, even silk and lace.
Amazon car favorites. If your drink doesn't fit into your cup holder, you need this cup expander in your car. It works with most popular brands for drinks 18 to 72 ounces, and it securely holds onto your drink. Remove dust, pollen, smoke, and bad odors from your vehicle with this car purifier. It plugs into your car outlet and it's ready to use, and it really works. Link in bio to shop.
Only light you need from Amazon.
If you are not
Sunset
ready for
lamp.
the day, it cannot always be night.
Comes in so many colors and settings.
This is part 364 of 365, and I have 3 pet finds today. If your dog can't sit still and hates his current seatbelt, this doggy leash anchors to both roof handles and has a tether that creates a zip line so your dog can move from window to window but be safe at the same time. And if you're looking to protect your car doors from being scratched, these car door protectors slide into your rear windows, connect with Velcro straps, and will ensure your car door is protected. And this dog toy is rechargeable, has different settings, and will keep your dog entertained when you're away from home.
Amazon Christmas gift ideas, part 2.
And this one's for the kitchen.
This is a flipping double waffle making machine. If you love waffles or know someone that does, pass this on. It makes the best waffles 2 at a time. It makes 7-inch waffles, has adjustable shade control, non-stick plates for easy waffle removing and cleaning. The flipping helps to evenly distribute the batter, and an indicator light alerts when the waffle is ready. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be making waffles faster and better than ever before. We love it. And if you get a great waffle maker, you might want that great batter dispenser you see us using as well. It makes pouring pancake and waffle batter a breeze and less messy. Both are linked on our link tree in the bio, and for you TikTok newbies, tap on our picture to find the bio.